Hi everyone, it's Jason Sansucci with the Do You Know Drones podcast. Today I get the privilege to launch a new drone product. Today, Teledyne FLIR launched their own professional drone platform, Cirrus. They designed this drone to be optimized for industrial and utility inspection and drone for first responder applications like public safety, firefighting, and search and rescue. It includes a quick connect, dual radiometric thermal invisible camera payload and can be deployed in less than 1 minute. Cirrus is IP54 rated, has a 31-minute flight time, radar base front collision, and backpack portability. Oh, and the batteries are hot swappable. But let's talk about the sensor. The included View TV32 has a quick connect gimbal, a 16 megapixel visible 32x zoom camera that, according to Teledyne FLIR VP Michael Walters, is the best RGB camera ever put on a FLIR SUS payload. It goes without saying that the Cirrus will have an integrated 640x512 radiometric 5x zoom camera with MSX technology to provide the best-in-class thermal imagery compatible with industry-standard software like Pix4D and FLIR Studio. They're future-proofing this system with a swappable payload. That's right, they're currently working on a few different payload options that will be released as soon as they're validated. Now, data security is a growing concern for the entire industry and every market that it serves. To improve security, Cirrus stores imagery on an onboard SD card, and that's it. It doesn't have any cloud connection capability. Oh yeah, and no geofencing. Okay, how much is this bad boy gonna cost you? $9,695, $96.95. But where does this platform stack up to the competition? So let's check out this chart. The closest drone with all-weather capability is the M30T. And don't let the quad Bayer filter 48 megapixel EO resolution fool you. The Cirrus still puts 30% more pixels on target. The system was made in Taiwan and the USA, but it's not currently NDA compliant or on the DIU Blue SUAS list. Now for utility inspection, minimum approach distance is a big deal, and this system will let the pilot have a greater standoff than any of the Blue SUAS systems with a much better thermal sensor. Oh, and it's the only platform on the list with a swappable payload that can fit into a backpack. I know that I'm looking forward to testing this system and comparing it to the competition. The direct compatibility with FLIR Studio is a huge selling point for me as a level 3 thermographer. The Cirrus is available for purchase and demonstration exclusively from Enterprise UAS in Q4 2022, but you can see it in person this week at the Commercial UAV Expo at booth 1017. Hope to see you there.